Drones have transformed law enforcement operations. Once seen as futuristic gadgets, they are now a crucial part of security and military operations worldwide. But how exactly are drones used in these fields? Let's break it down. One of the most crucial roles drones play in defense is in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. UAVs monitor enemy movements, track troop deployments, and gather intelligence in real time without putting human lives at risk. Equipped with advanced cameras and sensors, drones provide valuable insights for strategic decision-making. For border control, drones support border security by monitoring vast areas efficiently, detecting unauthorized crossings, and identifying potential threats. With infrared cameras and AI-powered analytics, they enhance situational awareness, helping authorities respond faster and more effectively. For disaster response, rapid damage assessment with multispectral imaging and real-time mapping. In the aftermath of natural disasters, drones provide critical situational awareness by mapping affected areas and identifying survivors. Equipped with thermal cameras and multispectral sensors, help emergency teams assess damage, prioritize resources, and coordinate rescue operations efficiently. Fire detection, early warning systems powered by thermal imaging and AI pattern recognition. Drones play a key role in fire detection by identifying heat anomalies before they escalate. Using thermal imaging and AI-driven pattern recognition, UAVs can pinpoint fire origins, track spread patterns, and assist firefighting teams in deploying resources efficiently. Search and rescue operations. Drones are invaluable in search and rescue missions, providing rapid aerial assessments of difficult-to-reach areas. Equipped with high-resolution and thermal cameras, UAVs locate missing persons in forests, mountains, or disaster zones. Even in low visibility conditions, their ability to cover vast areas quickly increases the chances of survival. Maritime patrol. Drones are revolutionizing naval operations by conducting maritime patrols that monitor illegal activities, track vessels, and detect threats. Long-endurance UAVs equipped with radar and high-resolution imaging sensors continuously surveil all of the coastal and open sea areas, offering strategic advantage in surveillance, rescue operations, public safety, and firefighting. Drones are a game changer. As technology advances, their role in modern security operations will only expand. What are your thoughts on the future of drones in defense and security? Let us know in the comments and join the future.